India is a land of multiple languages, more than 900 languages. Sometimes it is described 1500 languages, depending on what kind of interpretation you give to that. And there are more than 120 scripts. And Sanskrit is such a powerful language, it is considered to be closest to work as a computer language. And therefore it is said that the Sanskrit manuscripts are so many across the whole world that in Chennai, in one library, there are 44,000 pages filled with just the list of all the various Sanskrit manuscripts available in different parts of the world. Just the list of the manuscripts is 44,000 pages. In the University of Philadelphia, there are more than 100,000 documents related to only astronomy in Sanskrit. So you cannot imagine and fathom what is the kind of knowledge which is available with respect to Sanskrit in India. And you find a very close resemblance between many of the languages which we find today and Sanskrit. Like for example, the word mother is very closely linked to the Sanskrit word matri. Pitar, father. Bhratar, brother. Swasar, sister. Dwar, door. Ma, may. Naman, name. Smita, smile. Eka, equal. So a lot of these words which we find, they have an origin coming from Sanskrit. And there are some villages, specifically in Karnataka, MP and Orissa, the whole village even today speak only Sanskrit. If you go there, you have to know Sanskrit. Otherwise you will go hungry. No, you will get something, but you should know Sanskrit to be able to converse. So therefore, we find that based on this, the languages in India are so diverse, and amongst all of those languages, Sanskrit is the sweetest and the origin of